Before the court, the group are accused of killing Nyathi in Diepsloot in Johannesburg last month during unrest over crime in the area. The Diepsloot 7, as they called, face charges of murder, attempted murder, kidnapping, robbery with aggravating circumstances, assault with intent to do grievous bodily harm, and extortion. Let's listen in.
An urgent, serious medical operation necessitating the accused's absence is one that springs to mind. A terminal illness may be the other. It would be futile to attempt to provide a list of possibilities which will constitute such exceptional circumstances. To my mind, to incarcerate an innocent person for an offense which he did not commit could also be viewed as an exceptional circumstance. Where a man is charged with the commission of a Schedule 6 offense, when everything points to the fact that he could not have committed the offense because, for an example, he has a cast iron alibi, this would likewise constitute an exceptional circumstance. The court must determine if there are any exceptional circumstances present by the applicants. The applicants have argued that exceptional circumstances lie in the fact that they are innocent of the crimes that they have been charged with. That the state case against them is weak. Further, that the identification parade that was conducted and results thereof does not support the state case based on the evidence of the two state witnesses who testified. That these two state witnesses testified that they did not observe the applicants committing the crimes articulated by the state, save for the one witness who stated that she identified only one applicant in the identification lineup. And then even the party A1 A longer Oriana in order to assess this, it is necessary to outline the state case and the applicant's version. The version put up by the applicant is as follows. Applicant 1 was arrested by police at night while sleeping at his house. Number 1, he was later informed that he is charged with the crime of murder. He surmised that he was arrested because he is a secretary of a political party and a member of the Community Policing Forum. Political party, he denies the allegations against him. His personal circumstances are that he is an unmarried father of 2 minor children. He is scheduled to resume his employment as a subcontractor in the near future. He has employees who are solely dependent on him for their livelihood. Apart from being a subcontractor, he constructs rooms for the community, generating an income of 8,000 rands. He financially maintains his 2 minor children even though they receive the monthly child grant. The second applicant testified that he was arrested and assaulted by the police, who demanded that he must produce the firearm that he did not possess. He conceded that he met a group of people chasing someone. They inquired from him if he had seen the person who was being chased. He pointed them in the direction of the person that he had seen running away from the group. The next morning, applicant 7 informed him that the person who was being chased the previous day had been burned to death. He did not know the deceased in this matter. He denies that he killed the deceased. His personal circumstances are that he is an unmarried father of 4 minor children. He is in a business partnership with applicant 5. They monitor solar panels in the area of Diepsloot, generating an income of 30,000 rands that he shares with his partner, applicant 5, and their employees. He financially maintains his children. He has a previous conviction of assault with intent to do grievous bodily harm, which was committed in 2021. His sentence was 3,000 rands or 3 months imprisonment. The third applicant testified that he was arrested whilst asleep at night at his house. He didn't know the deceased. He was informed of the charges of murder at the police station. He also denies the charges against him. His personal circumstances are that he is an unmarried father of 1 child. He's employed on casual basis, earning 300 rands per day. He maintained his minor child. Further, the child receives the monthly child grant. His living partner is unemployed. The fourth applicant testified that he was arrested as a result of applicants one pointing him out to the police.
Number 4 yena o tla bo a tlhalosa gore yena o tshwerwe ka baka la gore number 1 yena o ileng gore o ile a mshupetsa maphodisa.
He was later informed that he was charged with the crime of murder at the police station.
Bele moragonyana o ile a tlhalosetswa a setse a le ko police station gore o latofatswa ka molato wa polao.
He did not know the deceased, neither was he amongst the group of people who killed the deceased.
Bele o tla bo a gana na le taba ya gore yena ga bolaya mofu ibile yena o be a se mo gare ga batho ba ileng gore ba bolaile mofu.
His personal circumstances are that he's a married father of 3 children and a grandfather of 2.
Bele o ile a tlhalosa gape gore yena ke monna o ileng gore o nyetse o na le bana ba bararo ibile o na le ditlogolo tse pedi.
He is currently employed on a contract basis as a general laborer. His contract will expire in May month.
Bele o ile a tlhalosa gape gore ke motho o ileng gore o no bereka moshongwana o mongwe ko kontrake mo ileng gore kontraka ya e tlo fitlha bofelong ka May.
He earns 320 rands per day.
Bele ke motho o ileng gore yena o gola 320 ranta ka letsatsi.
He utilizes his salary to maintain his children who are not employed.
Bele yena tšhelete o šomišetša go sapota bana ba gagwe ba ileng gore ga ba bereke.
His grandchildren are recipients of the monthly child grant.
Bele batlogolo bona ba gola tšhelete ya ntshiwa fela ya bana.
He has been staying in Diepsloot for a period of 20 years.
Bele o na le tekano ya mengwaga e 20 e leng 20 years a dula Diepsloot.
The fifth applicant testified that he did not know the deceased, neither did he kill the deceased.
Bele mogononelo wa botlhano yena o ile a tlhalosa gore yena ga bolaya mogononelwa ebile le go mo tseba ga mo tsebe.
His personal circumstances are that he is an unmarried father of 2 minor children.
Bele seemo sa gagwe se tlhalosa gore yena ke papa wa bana ba babedi o ileng gore ga a nyala.
He financially maintains his children as the children's mother is unemployed.
Bele yena ke ena o ileng gore o sapota bana ba gagwe ka baka la gore mmage bana a šome.
He confirmed that he is in a business partnership with applicant 2 and that they share the profits of their business with their employees.
Bele o ile a tlhalosa gape gore o na le business partner le number 2 mo ileng gore dipoelo ke tse ileng gore ba di arogana.
The sixth applicant testified that he was arrested at 2 o'clock. He denies the charges against him, further that he did not know the deceased.
Bele mogononelo wa botshelela yena o tlhalositse e le gore o tshwerwe ka bo iri ya bobedi. Yena o ganana le ditatofatso kgatlhanong le ena ebile o tlhalosa gape ge e le gore yena ga a tsebe mofu.
His personal circumstances are that he is an unmarried father of 2 minor children.
Bele yena seemo sa gagwe o tlhalosa ge e le gore ke papa wa bana ba babedi o
He's
ileng gore ga a nyala.
He is employed as a security officer, earning a salary of 4,500 rands
Bele
per
yena
month.
o šoma bele ka molitso goba lona le security mo e leng gore o gola 4,500 rand ka kgwedi.
He financially maintains his children as their mother is unemployed.
Bele ke yena o e leng gore o sapota bana ba gagwe ka ge mmage bana a sa šome.
He further stated that both children are recipients of the monthly child grant.
O ile a tlhalosa gape le gore bona bana bao ka bobedi ba bona ba gola tšhelete ya mphiwa ya bana.
He has 1 previous conviction of assault with intent to do grievous bodily harm, which was committed in 2019. He was sentenced to 3 years direct imprisonment.
Bele o ile a tlhalosa gore o na le molato o leng gore o kile a tshwarwa ka ona e le molato wa go betha ka maikemišetšo a go ntšha dikgobalo ka 2019 mo e leng gore o ile a fiwa mengwaga e 3 ya go dula ka kgolegelong.
The seventh applicant testified that the police arrested him for the murder charge, that they assaulted him thereafter, demanded that he produces the firearm that he did not have.
Bele mogononelo wa bošupa le yena o tla boa a tlhalosa gore o ile a tshwarwa ke maphodisa e le bošego go tloga mo ke mo ile gore maphodisa ba ile ba mmetha ba re a ntshe sethunya se ile gore yena o tlhalosa gore ga ana sone.
The police searched for the firearm, but it was not found.
maphodisa a ile a searcha sethunya ga ba se hwetša.
His personal circumstances are that he is an unmarried father of 3 minor children.
Bele yena seemo sa gagwe le yena o tlhalosa ge e le gore ke papa wa bana ba bararo o e leng gore ga a nyala.
He works for a bakery, earning a salary of 1,600 per week.
Bele yena o šoma bakereng mo e leng gore o gola 1,600 rand ka beke.
He financially maintains his children as their mother is unemployed.
Bele ke yena o e leng gore o support-a bana ba gagwe ka baka la gore mmagwe bona a sa šome.
He stated that the children are recipients of the monthly child grant.
Bele o ile a tlhalosa gape le gore bana ba gola goba ba amogela tšhelete ya mphiwa fela.
We're coming out of that court process to take you to this now. A justice